What's going on, everybody? I am JB and I'm back with yet another video dealing with these here dreadlocks. Don't be alarmed. I know I got these things in rubber bands right now. Honestly, I just did it just to see what it would look like. And I had this little headband just to see what it would look like. Not gonna leave them in there. Honestly, I think it looks pretty cool, looks pretty dope. But I don't like the way my scalp is feeling. I guess I had the rubber bands too tight, and I don't have them tight. I think I just got them. I don't know. It just don't feel right. I don't like the way it feels on my scalp. So I'm gonna take them out. Anyway, while I'm taking them out, I was going to talk to you guys about this here shampoo. Using the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 hemp tea tree. It's been pretty good. It's been pretty good, and man, this stuff is strong. It is very strong. Like I've been using this little applicator bottle, this right here. You can buy an applicator bottle on Amazon, which I recommend. This was like a old product bottle that my wife had laying around. It was empty. I rinsed it out really good and just put that in there, with a lot of water. And I literally like put this much in there of the Dr. Bronner shampoo and fill the rest with water. That was it. And this has lasted through 4 washes already. 4 washes. So you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot to get a good wash with the Dr. Bronner's. It's strong. Stuff is strong. Even on the bottle, it tells you dilute exclamation mark. Dilute exclamation mark. Okay exclamation mark. The maker of this is very serious about you diluting it. I know some people who have used it without diluting it. I don't want to take the risk. I know my scalp has already have issues. I don't want to do it. Prior to that, I was using this Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo, and it worked pretty good. It just wasn't doing anything for my dry scalp. And so I heard that the tea tree version of the Dr. Bronner is really good for that. So I've been using it since then. And honestly, it does do good with the dry scalp. In my opinion, for me, it works. I don't know what kind most of you guys may use, but this works for me pretty good. All right. So yeah, this journey, man, this free forming is a trip. It's a trip, man. I'm still growing in patience and endurance with this whole process of just letting it grow, not focusing on retwisting and none of that kind of stuff. What I've been doing is after I wash my hair, I get my microfiber cloth and I will like go in circular motions, dry my hair off. And so it gets like a little twist then, I guess, but it don't get twisted down to the root. So, I really don't count that as a retwist. So I just use it to dry it off. So I don't really go hard on it like that. But like I said, I was just wondering what it would look like if I was to put all these up in bands, just to see and satisfy my curiosity. Trying to find different things I can do with this as far as styling it at the length that it's in now. Pretty much lately I've just been, wearing a headband, or just letting it, just stick straight up. Cause that's what it's doing now. It ain't really hanging. It just sticking straight up, So I just let it stick straight up and do its thing. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. So one advice I can give when you're washing your hair, man, is make sure you try to wash it in sections if you can. I don't think I'm gonna do a video of me actually washing my hair because I don't have the patience for that. But I will encourage you guys to do it in sections. Wash in sections. Make sure you get down to the scalp. Like most people would tell you, don't wash late at night when you're gonna lay down. You don't want to get a habit of doing that. You do it a few times and you'll be okay. I mean, I've gotten away with it a few times, but you don't want to make a habit out of it. Your hair is wet and then you laying down on it. Just water just sitting there. And if you know anything about sitting water, it ain't good. I mean, that's just thing. When you think about just sitting water, just take your glass of water, let it sit there overnight. Just let it sit there. Come back, look and see what's going on inside of it. Just check. Just how it is. And tap water, that is, shower water, whatever water you're using, just do that. You see why it's important just to let that thing dry. You don't want it to sit. Because it could develop a smell and you in bad business. That didn't. Oh, we got a few more. That didn't take long. As you see, the hair is growing. The mane's developing. I'm really excited about it. This looks dope, man. I really like this look, man. And I was thinking the other day that I'm gonna miss my hair being this short. I'm gonna miss it being short. At one point I was like, man, I can't wait for it to get long. And I ain't gonna lie, I'll be honest with you guys. I was tempted. I'm like, man, people be getting these little lock extensions and all that stuff, man. I'm like, man, I had long dreads before, man. I should be able to just go ahead and just give me some long locks and just be through with it. But like, I know, crazy, right? But I'm glad I didn't go to no extremes like that. I would have regretted it later, knowing me. And so, just this process, man, I just knew I'm gonna miss this stage. I'm gonna miss this stage, man. So, so I think it's been about, let's see, August. August when I started doing the freeforming. I want to say, I gotta double check real quick, but I think it was August I started freeforming. So it's September, October, November, and we're now where it's December. It's December 11th right now as I'm shooting this video, and so 3 months, at least 3 months of freeforming, I can say. So I mean, that's wow. I'm not retwisting, having to separate, noticing the frizz, and just getting used to it. Like I can just pick up my hair at any given moment and get me a good pinch full of frizz at any time. Oh, can't see that? Yeah, just frizzy hair, Then this right here in the front, man, be bugging me. Like that right there be bugging me, man. I'm like, come on, man. Like, just pair it with something already. Like, find you one to just link up to. And I've been so tempted to crochet this mug. Just crochet it in a lot, man. I'm like, nah, I ain't gonna do it. Then I got this little tough over here be playing games with me. This right here, this little tough right over here. Yeah, here we go. This little tough right here be playing games with me. It just hair. I be twisting it up. You know what I mean? It's like it's enough to have a little baby lock on it, man. It's like it's enough for a little baby dread, be a little thin dread. But it just keeps. I'm not crocheting nothing like that. It just when I wash my hair, it gets back loose again and back to little, just fuzz. And so that's it, man. Just embracing it. They don't want to cooperate with me. But the little baby lock that I formed, just twisting and just using sea salt water spray, it's developing pretty well. And what I've noticed as well, I thought it was going to be really thin at the root. Eventually, I'd be threatening to break off. But as it grows, I've been separating from, I've been separating it, not letting it really congo. And I'm noticing, man, the roots are getting thicker on this guy. Like it is, like I don't know, you may not can tell here, but it was really thin. It was thinner. This camera angle weird. It was thinner, but man, like the root is getting thicker on this guy. It's like, wow, cool beans. It's like straight. Then I remember I told you guys about this flat lock I had up here. This flat one. It's gonna be a flat one. And it's matting up really well. It was really loose at one point. I could tell it's gonna be flat, but it's really loose. But it's matting up really well. There's another one here, flat towards the base. I don't know. I don't think you can tell from here, but yeah. So this is where we at, And December around this time is when in fact around the 20th, my birthday is the 20th. That is when I decided I wanted to start growing my hair, actually. And I didn't start trying to do anything as far as twisting goes until January. And so December, this month will be a year from me growing my hair. Just letting it grow out, not cutting it. I remember my birthday, my hair needed a cut, and I didn't go cut. And I was like, I'm just gonna let it grow out. That's when I made the decision to let my hair grow. And I had me a little small mini, like this small fro. My hair wasn't even an inch long, not even close to an inch. And but yeah, that's all I had to work with then. And January would be a year when I actually started wanting to do twists, the towel rub and everything else. And so this journey, y'all, coming full circle in the first year. July. of next year will be a year for me starting over with doing the crochet hook. So we'll see what these gonna look like in that year. All right. But yeah, just moving along. So didn't want much this time. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm using as far as shampoo. And I do recommend Dr. Bronner's shampoo. Get it. It's expensive, but it lasts you a long time. I told you how much I'm using and how much and how long it's lasting. Like it lasts a long time. And for what it's worth, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo is good too. It's just if you got dry scalp, I wouldn't recommend it. It's not gonna do much for you. So that's that. So hey, man, as always, especially as we're creeping up to Christmas, I am JB. Jesus is the way. Peace out.